Dear students, I hope you are all doing well. Right. In previous lecture, we derived a formula for finding the inverse for a non-singular matrix. So that formula is A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is the formula we derived in the previous lecture. Now, so by using this formula, so we need to find the inverse of a given matrix of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. See, for a 2 by 2 matrix, so let's start with a note. Number 1, if A is equals to, like it is A, B, C, D, is a non-singular matrix, is non-singular, then A inverse is 1 by AD minus BC into, it is a D minus B minus C A. So directly you can use this formula to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 non-singular matrix. See here 1 by AD minus BC means determinant of this matrix, and so here this is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. See, simply you can write, so just interchange these two elements, diagonal elements, and similarly you can interchange these two with negative sign. So simply just write minus B and minus C. Only interchange these two values, A and D means DA, and minus B minus C. B and C are as it is with the negative sign. And for one more thing, you can write this, if A is a diagonal matrix, diagonal elements like a D1, D2, D3, and here Di values are non-zeros. Di is not equal 0 means D1 non-zero, D2 non-zero, and D3 non-zero. Then the inverse of this diagonal matrix is diagonal of, so this is like a 1 by D1, 1 by D2, 1 by D3. So just reciprocal of the diagonal elements. A is the diagonal of D1, D2, D3, and Di is non-zeros means D1 non-zero, D2 non-zero, D3 non-zero. Then the inverse of this matrix is diagonal of 1 by D1, 1 by D2, and 1 by D3. See here what it indicates. Diagonal of D1, D2, D3 means here the given matrix is in the form of D1 0 0 0 D2 0 0 0 D3. So here so no need to use the concept of inverse. So directly we can write the inverse of this diagonal matrix is 1 by D1 0 0 0 1 by D2 0 0 0 1 by D3. For example, so 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. So here A is a matrix given, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then find the inverse. Find A inverse. So by using the concept of adjoint or cofactor also we can evaluate, or you can use this formula to evaluate the inverse. So first of all we need to find the determinant of this matrix. So determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is, so 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So that is 4 minus 6, which is equals to minus 2. So determinant of A is this one. Now A inverse is 1 by det A. 1 by det A means 1 by minus 2 into adjoint of A. Here if it is a 2 by 2 matrix, so we need to interchange these two elements like 4 and this is 1. And so observe this, B and C are as it is with negative sign. So here 2 and 3 as it is with a negative sign. So it is minus 2, minus 3. Now, so finally, so it is a matrix, so that you need to multiply the scalar with each and every element, so that we get the resultant A inverse is 4 by minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 by minus 2 1, minus 3 by minus 2 that is 3 by 2, and it is minus 1 by 2. So this is the A inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see one example regarding 3 by 3 determinant. If A is with the entries 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, then find A inverse. Solution. So to find A inverse, see already we have a formula to find the inverse of a non-singular matrix. So that is A inverse is 1 by dta into adjoint of A. So before finding the adjoint of A, so better check whether the given matrix is non-singular or not. So అలా చెక్ చేయడం వల్ల మనకి ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. If it is a singular matrix, then no need to evaluate adjoint of A, right? So first of all, so find the determinant of the given matrix. So the det A which is determinant of 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1. It is, so here expand along the first row, then sign is first 2 into the minor of this 2 is 0, 1, 2, 1. Next is negative sign, element is 1, the minor of 1 is, by deleting row and column, 1, 1, 2, 1, plus sign is 2, sign is plus and 2 element, then into, by deleting this row and column, rest of the elements are 1, 0, 2, 2. Now so this is 2 times of 0 into 1, so it is 0 minus 2, minus 1 times of 1 into 1, 1 minus 2, plus 2 times of 2 minus 0, so which is minus 4. Here it is plus 1 plus 4. Finally this is minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled and it will be 1. Here minus 4 plus 4. So determinant of A value is 1. Determinant of A is equals to 1, means it is not equal to 0. It is non-zero term, means it is a non-singular matrix. So next, so try to find the adjoint. Before finding the adjoint, we know we need the cofactors of each and every element of the given matrix. So try to find the cofactors. By using cofactors, we can evaluate cofactor matrix. So by using the first row cofactors of the given matrix A. Now here what is the first element? The first element is 2. So write down the cofactor of 2 is, so you know the signs, already we know the signs like positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative and positive. Okay, so directly I am writing the sign. So for finding this, now delete this row and column. Now say that this is 0, 1, 2, 1. So which is 0 into 1, 0 minus 2, so which is equals to minus 2. Next, cofactor of next element is 1. Now here the sign is negative, and by deleting this row and column, now 1, 1 and it is 2, 1. ఏ రో ఏ కాలం డిలీట్ చేయాలో మనకు డౌట్ వస్తుంది కదా. So just you need to delete the row and column where the element is present. So one eక్కడ ఉందో చూడమ్మా, one is that lies in the first row, second column. So that delete this row and column. So remaining elements, that becomes a 2 by 2 determinant. Now so this is minus of 1 into 1, 1 minus 2. This is 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus, so it is plus 1. Next, cofactor of next element is 2, which is, so the sign is positive only, into the determinant 2 by 2 minor 1 0 2 2, since by deleting this row and this column. So then that is 1 0 2 2. Now so this is 1 into 2, 2 minus 0, which is equals to 2. Okay, next find out the second row elements. Second row, now see the second row elements are 1 0 1. So better write the matrix here. The matrix is 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1. Okay, now so try to find the cofactors of the second row elements. So here the cofactor of 1. So where the 1 lies, that lies in the second row and first column. So the sign is negative sign, into determinant of 2 by 2 determinant is by deleting this. So 1 2 2 1. This is a minus of 1 into 1, 1 minus 4, which is 3. Next, cofactor of next element is 0. Now so the sign of 0 is, it is positive, into by deleting this row and column, the remaining elements are 2 2, and it is, sorry, say by deleting this row and this column, so you get the elements 2 2 2 1. Now it is 2 into 1, so 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. And cofactor of then this element 1, which is negative sign, then by deleting this row and column, so we get the elements like 2 1 2 2. Now which is equals to minus of 2 into 2, 4 minus 2, that is minus 2. Next, third row, find out the third row cofactors. The first element of third row, that is 2. So find out the cofactor of 2. So the sign of this is positive. By deleting this row and column, the remaining elements are 1 2 0 1. Now so this is 1 minus 0, which is 1. Next, cofactor of 2, here the sign is negative, times of, by deleting this row and column, elements are 2 2 1 1. This is minus of 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, and this is 0. Next, the cofactor of 1, so then sign is positive, and this is 2 1 1 0. So it is 2 into 0, 0 minus 1, so finally it is minus 1. Right, now so you need to express the cofactor matrix. So by using the above cofactor elements, so you can express cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix, which is denoted by C, then that is equals to, now the elements, so you can write in order. So the cofactors are in the first row in the previous slide, that is minus 2 1 and 2. Here second row are 3 minus 2 minus 2, and the third row are 1 0 minus 1, that is 1 0 minus 1. Now, so by using this, we can express adjoint. Here we can write adjoint of the given matrix. Adjoint of A is nothing but, the definition of adjoint A is the transpose of the cofactor matrix, that is by interchanging the rows into columns. So this is -2 1 2 3 -2 -2 and 1 0 -1. So this is our adjoint. Now, so here we have a formula for finding the inverse of a given matrix, that is A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint of A. So now you can replace all the values here. So we may get here, this is 1 by det A. Det A means 1 by 1 only into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is -2 3 1 1 -2 0 2 -2 -1. So here 1 by 1 means 1 only. So finally then, so this is the final result is -2 3 1 1 -2 0 2 -2 -1. So this is the inverse of the given matrix. సో ఇదే మ్యాట్రిక్స్కి షార్ట్కట్ ఫామ్లో ఇన్వర్స్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో చెప్తాను వినండి. బట్ సో జస్ట్ దిస్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్ మోడల్స్ ఆర్ ఫర్ క్రాస్ చెకింగ్ ద ఆన్సర్. If it is a descriptive question, so compulsory you need to write the solution by using the concept like 1 by det A into adjoint A form or in the previous problem solution. Okay, so don't write in a shortcut way. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పే మెథడ్ అనేది ఆన్సర్ని వెరిఫై చేసుకోవడం కోసం ఆర్ ఎంట్రన్స్ పర్పస్లో కూడా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో లెట్స్ సీ ఫర్ ది సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. See what is our the previous problem, that A equals to 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1 ఇదే కదా. సో you need to find the inverse. Okay, see the procedure. So first of all the formula of A inverse is as it is, that is A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint A only. ఇక్కడ మన ప్రాబ్లం ఏమొస్తాం, adjoint A కనుక్కోవడం కొంచెం కాంప్లికేట్ అవుతుంది, మీన్స్ లెంతీ ప్రాసెస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో హియర్ కంపల్సరీ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది గివెన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో కంపల్సరీ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ A. సో ఆల్రెడీ డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ A which is 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1. So find out the determinant. See here the determinant value is, so already we did that problem in the previous that is 2 times of it is 0 minus 2 expanding along first row. So it is minus of 1 minus 2 plus 2 times of 2 minus 0. So this is minus 4 plus 1 plus 4. Means the det A value is 1. So det A equals to 1 వచ్చేసింది. So next you need to find A inverse. A inverse. See what is A inverse? A inverse is equals to 1 by det A. Det A means 1 into we need the adjoint of A. So directly you can evaluate the adjoint of A. See ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నా చూడము. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో నోట్ చేసేసుకున్నాము. సి ద గివెన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈస్ 2 1 2 1 0 1, right? 2 2 1. ఓకేనా? నా సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ కాలమ్ 1 అండ్ కాలమ్ 2. సో ఈ కాలమ్ 1 కాలమ్ 2 ఏం చేస్తున్నా పక్కన యాడ్ చేసేసాను మళ్ళీ. సో రిపీట్ ద కాలమ్ 1 అండ్ కాలమ్ 2, దట్ ఈస్ 2 1 2. నెక్స్ట్ కాలమ్ 2 ఏంటి? 1 0 2. ఓకేనా? నా సో దీస్ ఆర్ ది రోస్. నా సో వి మే కాల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ row 1. దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ row 1 అండ్ row 2. సో ఈ row 1 row 2 మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసేసుకోండి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ row 1? 2 1 2 2 1. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ row 2? దిస్ ఈజ్ 1 0 1 1 0. ఓకే నౌ సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు ఈ రోని ఈ కాలంని డిలీట్ చేసేయండి delete this row and column. Okay, now next what you have to do is so here so we need to find the row wise elements so here so there are 2 by 2 matrices are there, 2 by 2 determinants. So just this is a 2 by 2 determinant. So by cross multiplying like this, so 0 into 1 0 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So it is 1 minus 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is what? That is minus 2. So here you can write this is minus 2. Here మీరు column wise find out చేసుకోండి, but you need to write the elements as row wise. So next thing is so here 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1, that is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, next so 1 into 1 minus 0 into 2, that is 1. Okay, now so to get the second row elements, then next here you can use this column wise. Here you need to find the column values, then write it as row wise. Now so 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Right, next 1 into 2 minus 2 into 2, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Okay, next 2 into 1 minus 1 into 2, so 2 minus 2, that is 0. Next, so to get the row elements, third row elements, so you need to use this column. So it is 1 into 2 minus 2 into 0, that is 2 minus 0 means 2 only. Next 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2, so 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Now finally this is 2 into 0 minus 1 into 1, so that is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now so which is equals to 1 by delta A. 1 by delta A means 1 only. So if anything exists, just you need to multiply that constant with each and every element of this matrix. So your 1 is there, so then it is finally this is our minus 2 3 1 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసుకోండి ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం ఆన్సర్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఆన్సర్. Okay, so this is for only objective type purpose. Okay, if it is a descriptive part, so compulsory you need to use the previous problem solution. Then this you can use this is for cross checking the answer. So let's prove one result. If A is invertible square matrix and AB equal to 0, then show that B equals to 0. స్టార్టింగ్లో ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ చెప్పాను, గుర్తుందో లేదో. ఏబీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయినంత మాత్రాన ఏ 0 కానీ బీ 0 కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఏ కానీ బీ కానీ 0 కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏబీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అండ్ ఏ అనేది ఇన్వర్టబుల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయితే బీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవుతుందంట. A is invertible matrix. Invertible means A into B equal to B into A equals to I, like A inverse into A equals to A inverse into A into A inverse is I. See, by using that definition, so we can show the value of B is 0. Here what is given? Given that so A is yes invertible matrix. A is invertible matrix. అంటే అవుతుంది ఇన్వర్స్ అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా, దట్ మీన్స్ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుందంటే డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారం ఏమవుతుందమ్మో, సో దట్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ దట్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ చేసిన ఆర్ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇంటూ ఏ చేసాగానే ఏమవుతుంది, ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది విత్ ద సేమ్ ఆర్డర్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 2/2 then we get 2/2, 3/3 then 3/3. So here A is any square matrix of order n. Now so here what we have to show is, now so here one more condition is given, AB equal to 0, AB equals to 0. Now here AB equal 0, already A inverse is exist. So for this equation I am multiplying on both sides with A. So A inverse of AB equal to A inverse into 0. So by applying associative law, now you can write it as A inverse into A of B is equals to, so A inverse is a matrix into 0 matrix is always 0. Now by associative property, say here A inverse into A of B. See here we have a inverse into A, that is identity, so that we can write it as I into B is equals to 0. Now so identity matrix into any square matrix is again that square matrix, so that is B equal to 0 only. So it is A is any invertible square matrix, AB equal to 0, then B is always 0. And so we have one more property or statement, that is if A is invertible matrix means invertible square matrix and AB equal to AC, then show that B equal to C. So whereas in the same statement like AB equal to AC అయినంత మాత్రాన B equal to C కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు అనే స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇంతకుముందు నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం. But if A inverse is exist, then AB equal to AC, that becomes B equal to C. So let's see the solution for this. So what is given? A is an invertible matrix. Invertible matrix means A inverse is exist. So you are given that A inverse is exist. A inverse is exist. That means when we multiply that inverse with A or A inverse with A, then we get an identity matrix. Now so by using this condition, so you need to show B equal to C, and so here one more condition that is given. Now AB equal to AC is given, right? AB equal to AC. This implies on multiplying both sides with A inverse from left hand side, that is A inverse of AB is A inverse of AC. Now so the matrix satisfies associative property, so we can express it as A inverse into A of B is equals to A inverse of A inverse into A of C. Now so from this, so we can write A inverse into A as I into B, and it is I into C. I into B is equals to I into C. So therefore I into B is nothing but B, and I into C is C. So B equal to C. Hence proved. Okay, students, see, whereas in our exercise 3, there are some problems related to the concept of inverse. See, observe one by one. So find the adjoint and the inverse of the following matrices. So Roman 1, first problem. So here you need to find only adjoint. You know how to evaluate the adjoint for this. And so find the inverse also. Inverse of the matrices. So for 2 by 2, we gave a formula like 1 by AD minus BC times of D minus B minus C A. So use that formula. Next, so problem number 2, it is A equals to A plus IB, C plus ID, minus C plus ID, A minus IB is there. So here also, here it is a 2 by 2 matrix, and so you know how to evaluate the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix. But here A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 1 is given. So we get this relation by using here the elements of the A contains I, imaginary part, means so here you can use I square equals to minus 1. Here also we may use I square equals to minus 1. If there exists any I square, then I need to replace that with minus 1. Right. Now number 3, problem number 3, A is a 3 by 3 matrix is given. So then find A transpose whole inverse. You know how to evaluate the inverse of a given matrix, whether it is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Here, but the question is A transpose whole inverse. First of all, find out the transpose of this matrix A. So means by interchanging this row into column. So you get A transpose. A transpose వచ్చాక ఏం చేస్తారు, మళ్ళీ దానికి A inverse అనుకోండి. ఓకే, after getting the A transpose, try to evaluate A inverse. Next page, in that say the fourth problem. A is given 3 by 3 matrix, then show that adjoint of A is 3 into A transpose. So first you need to find adjoint of A. Okay, so then పక్కన పెట్టేసేయండి. Next, find out the transpose of this matrix and multiply with 3. So you get one more matrix. So next compare those two are same or not. Adjoint of A find out చేయండి and 3 into A transpose find out చేయండి. ఆ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అనేది ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. అండ్ ఫైనల్గా మీరు చేయాల్సిందండి A inverse. సో యూ నో హౌ టు ఎవాల్యుయేట్ ద ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ గివెన్ 3 by 3 matrix. And next problem number 5. So here A into B into C is not equal to 0 is given. A into B into C is not equal to 0. Then find the inverse of this matrix. So here the given matrix is a diagonal matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. So already ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ చెప్పాను. If it is a diagonal matrix, then the inverse of that matrix is directly the reciprocal of the diagonal elements. అంటే దీనికి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందన్న? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ ద డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎలా అవుతాయి? 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. That's it. Okay, next last bit, Roman 3. So A is Roman 2 only. So A is a 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. So A is given and B is also given in terms of B plus C, B minus C, B plus C minus B, C minus A, like that. Then show that A into B into A inverse is a diagonal matrix. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం కావాలా? A ఇంటూ B ఇంటూ A ఇన్వర్స్ కావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ A ఇన్వర్స్ ఒకటి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ A కనుక్కోండి, పక్కన పెట్టేసేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ యూ నో హౌ టు ఎవాల్యుయేట్ A ఇంటూ B. ఫస్ట్ A ఇంటూ B కనుక్కున్నాం, A ఇంటూ B ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. సో వి గెట్ వన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. వచ్చిన మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలా? A ఇన్వర్స్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, మల్టిప్లై విత్ A ఇన్వర్స్. సో A ఇంటూ B చేశాక వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ని A ఇన్వర్స్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. సో మనకు ఒక మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది. ఆ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏం కావాలంటే డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. యూనో వాట్ ఈస్ డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, రైట్? ఓన్లీ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మాత్రమే ప్రజెంట్ ఉండాలి, నాన్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కంపల్సరీ 0 కావాలి. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ number 2. 3 into A is equals to 3 by 3 matrix. Then show that A inverse equals to A transpose. Okay, but here not A is given. So here A is equals to this 3A equal to some matrix is given. But I need to write it as A equal to something. So A equal to రావాలంటే ఏం చేస్తారు? 3తో డివైడ్ చేశాను. సో అప్పుడు మాకు వాల్యూ అవుతుందన్న. సో A is equals to 1 by 3 ఇంటూ ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది, మనకి అక్కడ ఉన్న మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దానికి ఇన్వర్స్ కనుక్కోండి. అంటే ఇందులో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నింటిని కూడా 1 by 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. సో అప్పుడు A అనేది చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ A ఇన్వర్స్. ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అనుకోవడం ఈజీనే. A ఇన్వర్స్ అనేది ప్రొసీజర్ యూజ్ చేసి కనుక్కోండి, అంటే రెండు సేమ్ అని చెప్పాలా. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ 3, ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్ A ఈజ్ గివెన్. దెన్ షో దట్ A ఇన్వర్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు A క్యూబ్. సో ఫస్ట్ అయితే A ఇన్వర్స్ కనుక్కోండి, దీనికి A ఇన్వర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి పక్కన పెట్టేసండి. నెక్స్ట్ A క్యూబ్. A క్యూబ్ అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్. సో ఫస్ట్ A స్క్వేర్ కనుక్కోండి, దెన్ మల్టిప్లై విత్ దట్ A స్క్వేర్, మల్టిప్లై దట్ విత్ A, దెన్ సో యూ మే గెట్ A క్యూబ్. ఆ రెండు ఈక్వల్ కాదో చెక్ చేసేసి జస్ట్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ అని చెప్పేసి సరిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫైనల్ లాస్ట్ వన్, AB ఈక్వల్ టు I ఆర్ BA ఈక్వల్ టు I. దెన్ షో దట్ A ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్టబుల్ and B equal to A inverse. Okay, now so here AB equal to I and BA equal to I. AB equal to I or BA equal to I means, by the definition of inverse matrix, AB equal to BA equal to I means the inverse is exist, means A is invertible. So to get this B equal to A inverse, so multiply the first relation with A inverse. దానికి బోత్ సైడ్స్లో ఏ ఇన్వర్స్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసేయండి. మల్టిప్లై అవుతామా ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇంటూ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏబి ఈక్వల్ టు ఐ, రైట్. ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇంటూ ఏ అనే కండిషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇంటూ ఏ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఐ ఇంటూ బి ఈజ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ఇన్వర్స్. సో యూస్ దట్ కండిషన్. Okay, so practice all these problems in your notebook. So try to do all the problems in notebook. Okay, thank you.